It's here for Memamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So yeni in summer air course of Ghana. Now I think for 2 weeks one of the most trending issue the failed coup attempt. Ana anka ebe course of Ghana. Answer me better to subscribe and click the notification bell so. We understand latest news be about Bonsa Ebeka. And Kofu Bebre share what man on this particular issue. Sena and Kofu be a plan. They say we want member basa yo AC Ghana. No, see, we are getting more details on this issue. Asem member first no, ebimo ayo madwen say asem no on member the kill no. Because say me a video and a member motia say asem no Ghana ne no see ya di bibia ayo politics. Inti asem we are be minim say ebimo be yo madwen say wo mo de asem no be asresem. Now it was trending actually on social media. Na ebimo de ya asresem mo be hwa ebimo de bankuta ene nyama ebetwitwa pictures class government na shedana say wo yes nkofu we air plan coup attempt. But it's here for the report we are having. They say indeed these people were actually planning. And na soldier phobi eta womochi. It initially Yabeka say the security agencies were more arresting for 3. Now the first person near friend Dr. Derek Yao McPam ono na Yesusu say hospital no dia yaka hospital etie for yaka Citadel Hospital ewo Alajo police for eko hwa he ko hu say nkrofo we wo mo manufacture etuo and bombs wo mayo madwen say wo mo de beye coup d'etat no ehona na wo mo manufacture wo na Saturday with the report bro. I think the latest report I did on this but the browser some profit na ya chi omo doctor no and a branch bi abo ko fa no free Volta region say wo mbra embe manufacture etuo no emba wo mo no a branch no wo no so and another person and your friend I think ADC but the D and the Debra na it's here for information minister Eba Bonte and the here ebe to yenim say wo mo ehu say asojefo ana yebeka asrafo soldiers bi eta nkrofo we echi anasa soldiers no ngomo adwemu po ana adwen a wo mo afa ne se wo mo ebeta sa coup d'etat plan echi na to so mo ayo madwe se wo mo kotu o mampanyi efi ade so asojafo sa plan no enana wo mo ateki na enda me ne wo kasa yi asojafo 12 yebeka dumienu asojafo 12 ena sisia no ya identify say ya chi omo ya de omo ato immigration stop place so because you see asojafo yi wo hwa wo mo betumi adwane Afrigana betumi adwane Afrigana na wo mo ye senior military officers na ba ko din Colonel Samuel Kojo Gamali ni esusu se wono nso eta sebe wo mo ayo mo adwen se wo mo be ye coup d'etat Ghana no sa senior military officer we Yambo the rank mum, but information minister Eddie Ababonte says our branch we a senior military officer plus 11 other soldiers. It's here for any yachi or more. For now, say in Grofuwe, they were behind the coup plot. Now it's here for the details actually coming out, and they say na in Shiaye Bibu Ewoho. There was a meeting and the president and about me meeting one place. I think it was a public gathering. Now in Crawford way your money say public gathering yasi or mobile now one to bombs no ho not to say or man penny and na be the channel the other 2 or more at more. Now when them say you got 2 bomb will be there obviously or man penny na be the channel sebe wo mu betwi kakra na wo mu ko twia na to say wo mu take power na nkofo we aba o ma ba na so say the coup attempt this was their plan na em say ebra ye kochi o mu no mi we did trail wo mu a wo kochi o mu kochi o mu na ye the security agencies no and the beto Ghana fu enim say wo mu hu documents bi a nkofo we a plan said that way you say their plan was in progress. Saturday the reported trouble say we more for this issue on the light side. We more for this issue on the light note. We more say assembly. And I remember in Grofubidin to say former President John Dramani Mahama. Because assembly, like I said, Mahama will find it serious because you Mahama you have been a president before. Now say story about say ebi mo ayo mo adwen say wo mo be ye ku a why a president that even wo Mahama wo time no wo bi wo kwa sorry em say asori a wo Mahama wo ko e wo Ring Road Assemblies of God wa sorry wo bi ye na adwen say wo di etio e ba asori ho abebo otio ya che ni pakuna tum 10 years it as a former president no say bibi say e ba nanka the least you can even do is just to sympathize with the issue. But I don't know, Mahama the same way politics and I was three there's a was this year the Bengutania ya the Beyeku there's a was three NDC for the S3. I think it was a wrong move. I think Mahama should have even come out to say and I should have even come out to condemn the coup attempt. But as usual, Ghana says and say the politics. I'm not saying what they are politics, but they make me and it's an information that on this particular issue. No, the people were really serious on this cool thing. They were extremely serious. Now, what just said, we move deep on it. What Ghana has say. Now, it's for this is a story coming through. Say, 12 soldiers have been arrested. 12 soldiers have been arrested, and they've been put on immigration stop list. That's why I say immigration for money serious, but because in Gofu Jesus said they have links, they can run. They have links and they can run into no Mama Muni and Daho. The person read the comments at Tremo, Namuhu dear air coso. You're picking the minds of some Ghanaians on this particular issue. Let's see what some Ghanaians are saying on this issue. Are people just laughing just like what some other people are doing? And I say a bit more air for this issue on the serious note. Obi I say okay, hey, Ghana for Mr. Omo did attempt them me read it. I say, hey, you mean say serious coup plotters they walk around for town still? Ghana is funny. This kind of cool news affects our economy. Manage it well. And then someone will be air can say, say mo de ba say sebe sa Omwa soldiers for ya say womukoye ku no ye de omo to immigration list so na tre say mo pesa mo tre say soldier for yi mutumi hwe mo wusu ye e na wo mo be dwane ana Ghana so de esre papa. Now I think this is a genuine question that the Pakon will be sa. Obi say MPP has something smelly for Ghana. Ghanaians should not allow Akan MPP to take them back into the dark ages. All government is talking about is not adding up at all. And one wonders if MPP do not have any agenda to do something. Hey, Asemo. And only Zema will be Eka. But Obi so Eka say, Assembly, Assembly, international community, no, one more share a bit to me affect Ghana economy. Because you go for any answer, yes, you go for be a plan, so be cool, Ghana. Sebi ni bakono one fan the sika ebe she Ghana mu. Sebi ni bakono na ba ya na adwen say what the sika ebe invest wo Ghana. What be biom? Because when them say, hey, Ghana ya she intino wo be so e de asem aba. Say asem we yen hwe se ne ya be ka ne yie na eye embontin so fo. Bo mo pese wo mo di sika e she Ghana mu no. Still, wo mo have that edge say wo mo di sika ebe share a year Ghana. We'll take for a very interesting remarks and go for a day back. But I think I don't know. Will be I say hey Charlie ebimu ebedidi atemu. Ebimu bedidi atem. Obi say ukuma pema apembeba. Literally, if you kill thousands, another bunch of thousands will sprout out to take over the struggle for true emancipation from national leadership corruption. When the assembly will be can say yes, mwachi ebimo but this matter there asemo. I say mwachi wo mo beso bu yeku no still ebibeba because social senior penifo no wo di esika edi abroad ya. Nkofo sorry. Etia aban one day and only asema nkofo can very interesting. Very interesting. For Mutia Madre, comment box. Comments like ever, no go for you, I don't want to read them. But Mutia Madre, our comment box. 12 soldiers identified. Say, one more and Nanka, one more time, one more, taking this cool decision. It's for Mutia Madre, for that's it.